All right, so in this video, I'm going to walk you through how you can use raised letters, a suite of editing tools to polish your manuscript and get it ready for submission. If you click this edit button, what you're going to see is a few options. So you're going to see copy edit, proofread, and format. And let me walk you through what each of these does. So you click this, it'll scan for issues. And again, remember raised letters, when it's proofreading, it is also cross-referencing your World Bible and Style Guide. So, for example, it won't tell you like, "Hey, is that one of your made-up words for your in your world?" It won't tell you to fix that. Instead, it'll just tell you to fix like actual errors. So in this case, it found one error. So it's, for example, set the down, right? So it was like there was a typo. And you can just search for that and set that's right, it should be glass. Okay, so you can see how it immediately found an error in my novel. So I went ahead and closed that out, so no issues found. Now let's take a look at some of the others. So we also have copy edit. Now copy edit, this is full grammar, punctuation, typos check. Let's go down to something I haven't run it on. I don't think I've run it on live. So let me try that again. Run copy edit. Okay, so it's running. Okay, so here it's found a few issues. So even if you need work, two. Oh, so it's two space gather before, so it's two should be together. So I'll accept that. I will also accept that. See the next one. Most of the time, accept. Any other issues? Need apostrophe for jacks. Get rid of the M dash and missed an O. Okay, so example of how you can use copy edit to quickly proofread your manuscript. I also want to format it. So in this case, this chapter is already formatted for manuscript submission, right? Where every paragraph is indented, every quote is on a new line. But let's say this paragraph isn't indented. This is not on a separate line. So I want to format this for a standard manuscript. So let me run this. And this one is not intended to change any text. It's purely intended to simply format your novel. But because it is going through an LLM, we want you to be comfortable that it's not actually changing anything. And so what we do is we run a before and after. So so here you can see it put that quote back on as a new line and it indented the paragraph. So I'll hit accept, and then now it's fixed. So that's essentially what format does, and we have a few formatting options: so standard manuscript, published book, and clean edit. Yeah, so this is basically a way to really just quickly get your manuscript formatted for submission. Now, so that's the editing tools. Now, sometimes if you're working with nonfiction, or if you want to add notes, we also offer the option to add notes. And to do that, you just click on this note tab. And if you want to add a note, just highlight the word that you want to add a note, and add a note. Say like, this is my note. And now it's there. So if your note is in the wrong place, or if you feel like you want to move it, you can do that pretty easily. All you need to do is select your note and just drag it to where you want it to go. So let's say I want to drag it there. And it'll drag there. If you have two notes and you say like, this is my first note and this is my second note. Okay, and you can see that my first note is here, my second note is there. But what if I want to remove this one in front of my first note? You'll see that we go ahead and renumber everything for you. And so you don't need to handle that yourself. Yep, and so that's basically adding footnotes. to your manuscript. That's the various editing tools that we make available to you in Raised Letters to help you prepare your manuscript for submission.